Most WordPress hosting providers are not very beginner friendly. They promise to all, but leave you stranded in a sea of technical jargon, and they often use it to make the pricing confusing. But HostPapa is a little bit different, and their pricing policies are actually pretty transparent, as I will show you later on. This host offers a ton of services, and that's a pretty good thing if your website grows. You can start small with a shared hosting, and then move up to a dedicated server if you ever need one. On top of that, you can register your domain names with them and even host your professional email addresses at HostPapa. So no more unprofessional email addresses like yourbusiness@gmail.com. Anyways, today I want to explore HostPapa's WordPress hosting services with you, which by the way start at a very low price. I've left a link in the description if you decide to go with them. And thanks to HostPapa for sponsoring this video. One pretty cool thing about HostPapa is how many different services they offer. As you can see, you can get hosting, you could get a VPS hosting, a dedicated server, you could even resell their hosting plan if you need it, or you can get a WordPress hosting, that's what I'll be checking today. But you can also get a website builder with them, domain names, and even professional email addresses. Let me show you around HostPapa's dashboard. This is how your HostPapa backend will look. As you can see from the top navigation, you can find all of the sections. If you host domain names with them, you will see them here. Then you can check what services you have with HostPapa from this tab. And there is a marketplace where you can buy add-ons. For example, you could get the Papa Care Plus, or services like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 for professional email and storage. But what you probably want to see is your hosting service dashboard. For that, we have to go to my cPanel. HostPapa is a cPanel based hosting service. It probably looks very similar to other providers you might have tried in the past. My main complaint is that even if it works fine and it has a lot of options, it is a little bit outdated. However, cPanel it is very powerful and lets you customize pretty much anything you will need to customize from your hosting service. But you have tools to create email accounts, also interfaces to manage your files. You can create backups and download them on your computer, or even have a Git version control to keep track of the changes on your website. You also have full access to the database. I would not recommend messing around with this unless you know what you do, because you could just wipe your entire website. HostPapa comes with an interface to install WordPress easily. You click here, it asks you if you want to install any of these plugins. I'm not needing any of these, so I would just go into install WordPress. Then you select what domain name you want the WordPress installation to be in. You give it a name and a description if you want. And finally, up here, you can set up your WordPress admin and password, and then your email. We come down here, click on install, and HostPapa will take care of the rest. As you can see, the installation for WordPress finished and our website's live here. Then if we come to this WordPress management section, we'll have a few WordPress tools that can make our life much easier. It's quite cool that if you go into security, HostPapa will scan your website for making your WordPress site more secure. I can even find a list of my WordPress issues here. If you're an active WordPress user, one thing you probably should consider is to have a staging area. And that is a copy of your website that's not live, where you can test things to see if the website breaks. For example, each time a WordPress plugin is updated, you could get a WordPress error and break your website. And for that, HostPapa comes with a staging area. So basically, HostPapa will create this staging.mywebsite and copy the database. Then I can just run my tests and don't break the live website. And some HostPapa plans come with a daily backup. That means they create a copy of your website, and if something would happen, you would just be able to restore from that copy. This is a service that costs you around $48 a year. but with some of the WordPress HostPapa plans, you can get this feature included for free the first year. And you don't have to migrate to HostPapa straight away. They have a 30-day money warranty, so you can test the service. And finally, they will migrate your website. As you can see, HostPapa starts pretty affordable. You could lock in a deal for 3 years for as little as $295 a month. That would get you one WordPress site, 25 gigabytes of fast storage, and even a free domain name for the first year. Sadly, that would not get you a staging area to test out. You would need to go for the WP growth plan that you can get for around $6 a month. And these would also get you a CDN to speed up content delivery worldwide. There are more plans, but those are for heavy users planning to really host a lot of websites. You do have to be aware that the plans at renewal cost a little bit more. Hey, so that's my honest take on HostPapa WordPress hosting. I love how transparent the services are. They explain in great detail what your plan will include and what it won't include. It's also optimized for WordPress websites, and the prices for the first term are really good. Just gotta be aware that those prices increase at renewal. And if I could change one thing about HostPapa, I think it's time cPanel gets a bit more modern, even if it still works just fine. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you'd like to support us. Have a good day and see you around.